anything. We have a temperature.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Columbia County, and east central New York until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Austerlitz, or 8 miles east of Chatham, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
That's a big
Source,
hail core.
radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Look at this hail core, dude.
Locations impacted include Pittsfield, Lee, Lenox, Beckett, Dalton, Hinsdale, Canyon, Richmond, West Stockbridge, Peru, Washington, Barkerville, Mackinac Heights, Tanglewood, New Lenox, Lennoxdale, The Boulders, the center of Lenox, Adams Junction, and Yankee Orchards. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
Alright, I got headphones.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbia, New York, and Berkshire, Massachusetts.